Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm excited to share with you my Christmas wish list. Now, I don't really have much because when I realized I was listing my Christmas wish list, I don't really have much wish list, but I do have an unboxing of one of the wish lists that I've been wanting for like the second half of the year. I don't know why. I'm leaning back towards this, but I will mention this story and show you this later. And this is from actually someone really amazing that gifted this to me. It was super unexpected, but yes. So let's get into my Christmas wishes. Now the first one is actually something really big and it's going to be useful for the next couple of years because I've been wanting a desktop since the beginning of I think February or March, because my laptop is not doing great anymore, and I am a designer. We construct houses and we design them from ground up, and we are constructing them, but I do work from home. Or the processing that I use or the programs that I use actually on my laptop is not as, my laptop can't support it as much. Sometimes it's crashing already because of course we do have to up to date the programs, and we have to make sure of course that we are up to date, and it kind of adds, and the speed is not enough. So I really am wishing for a desktop. I am trying to save up for it, but since I have a baby, I don't really want it as a priority unless my laptop, of course, knock on wood, doesn't happen, is crashed already completely and I won't be able to use anything. I really wish for a desktop because it's going to be like super convenient. I will be able to, because if I get the desktop, I'll be able to just change the parts of it if I want to upgrade it in the later years if it does slow down. But a desktop is really better. It has quicker processing. It can manage my apps better, and also hopefully I'll be able to edit my videos there in the PC, or yeah, in the desktop, because I don't have I don't edit right now. Recently I don't edit my videos in the laptop because it does crash, because I do have like heavy files, especially nowadays because I constantly upload videos now because it's one of my target. So aside from that, I do try to practice and get as much video and good content for you guys and information. This is a lifestyle channel, so I really want to share good finds and ideas for you guys so you guys can help it with your lifestyle. So yeah, so hopefully I get a desktop. If not this year, maybe next year. I don't know if I'll be able to plan it, but I've already talked to someone that could give me a good price on a desktop. But like I said, I'm not so sure if I will be able to pull the trigger, because I do have the savings, but I don't want to use all of those savings to get a desktop immediately, and I don't have any savings anymore. So hopefully, pray to God that I get a desktop soon as is next year. So aside from that, aside from a desktop, is my husband and I work here. Sometimes he works at the house and sometimes he doesn't. And he doesn't have a monitor because I'm using the monitor he has that we purchased 2 or 3 years ago, I think. And yes, it's still a great monitor, but for me, I think I would prefer since like I said, I have multiple programs setting up on how I work and different kind of editors or editor apps that I use, and I really need a bigger screen. Although the screen that we have already is really big, but hopefully I get a bigger screen, a bigger monitor for myself. And so if ever we don't get the desktop yet, we can use 2 screens already. I could use the bigger screen and he could get the screen that we got for him, which is the 27-inch gaming screen that he could use for himself when he's working in the house. So the next one is, let's go still on the computer kind of things, is I really like this keyboard that has cats on it. I am an animal lover, and I found this adorable keyboard caps, the keycaps, okay? Because I already have a mechanical keyboard, but I wanted the keyboard caps. They're so cute. They have cat designs on it. There's different styles, but there's one specific that I like, which is, I think it's the milk tea design. And I will link that down below also because I really want to share to you guys the keyboard keycaps. They're so cute. Then apart from that is, I want the bubble couch. I really like that bubble couch. I think I already found the perfect place to where I'm gonna put that bubble couch, but that's like still something that I really like also, because it's going to be a perfect thing to sit down and maybe create videos also there, because I really like creating videos in something with a more aesthetically pleasing place where I really like a nice kind of aesthetic area. And since I finally found the tree, I got the tree up already, and with the design, this is like one of my favorite places right now to make videos. I know it's not the usual place where you see me, but I think this is better and I really like it here, so I might try to make more of my videos here in the area, because like a Christmas season, and I don't know if I'll think of figuring out another way to, you know, have it here. So the next one that I got is the next thing that I want is, I think I want like this. I saw this, it's a uh bumblebee earbuds. It's really nice. I am going to link it down below also, or maybe the Marshall earbuds. I will also link it below. They're really nice. So all these stuff right now that I'm asking for are really like the pricey stuff, okay? I know that, but like I said, like this is my Christmas wish list, so it's not really bad to, you know, we should throw out there like the wish list that you really like, because like I said, it's Christmas, so you know, you never know. But aside from that, yes, I really like this Marshall earbuds, and also the Bumblebee earbuds. The Bumblebee earbuds is a lot cheaper compared to the Marshall, but I found another Bumblebee earbuds also a bit pricier, but still lower than the Marshall. But I really like it. I don't know, like for me, I have these earbuds already that I really like. They're black, and the Bumblebee is yellow. I think it's easier for me to like maybe find and keep it in place. I don't know. It's just me. Okay, I really like it. And despite having the sneakers here, because I kind of changed my goal on the sneakers, because this one, I've been showing this in my stories constantly when I saw it. It's super nice. I really love it. I love the color. It's also perfect for the fall and Christmas season. And I honestly really like it. I started like wearing jeans more, and I really miss it. I'm the person before, like from grade school, or from my preschool, grade school to my high school, until actually college also, I love wearing jeans. It's just my go-to. I love wearing jeans. I have so many jeans before, and then kind of like died down when I started working, because it's more like professional. It's more like, especially before, my first few jobs were actually offices and not construction. And so I turned to like dresses, and then I stopped wearing pants. And also I kind of gained a bit of weight, so it was kind of pricey for me to get pants. And then so suddenly my now husband has started giving me jeans, and I'm really happy about it. And it's really perfect for me to pair it with the amazing kind of sneakers. And I am a white sneaker kind of person, but then I kind of am falling back to the sneaker side of me. I love wearing sneakers before. Before, I was being gifted so many sneakers, and I really love it. I was so appreciative of it. But that was from my preschool, grade school, up to high school. I have so many sneakers. I am so happy having those sneakers. I was a person who likes sports so much, and then kind of just died down because no one's giving me those kind of sneakers, and I have to buy sneakers for myself. And most of the time, I do suggest Payless because they have really great sneakers. But then I kind of miss my, you know, higher end sneakers. Or I don't know for you guys if it's higher end, but for me it is. So this is one of it. And the story of this is, like I said, I just kept sharing this. This was kind of on sale, and then suddenly there was just one last pair of shoes in this online, and I said to myself that if this is still available next year and still on sale and has one in my size, I'm gonna get it. But lo and behold, after like the last time I shared it in a story, or I think second to the last day that I shared it in a story, it was gone. It was out of stock. It wasn't available anymore, and then the sale stopped as well. So I couldn't have it. I couldn't get it. And then one of my amazing family members saw that video, saw that story, and I was kind of shocked because they didn't say anything. They didn't tell me anything, and then suddenly something arrived, and then that person messaged me and said, "Merry Christmas." And although this is not Christmas yet, and I shouldn't be unboxing it now, but it's also the birthday present as well. So my birthday is October and it's past my birthday already, so I'm opening it now. It'll be perfect also to wear it on Christmas. So here it is. It's an Adidas sneaker. I've been loving Adidas, by the way. And I kind of chipped the part here, but this is it. I'm a size 6.5 women. If you guys want to, share me something. 6.5 women, 6.5 men, and then 7 for women. So this one is an amazing sneakers. It's on the women's sportswear actually. And ta-da! Oh my gosh, it looks so nice. Oh, but one of my wish lists that I'm still not giving up on is the Court base sneaker. It's like the comfortable version of the Samba sneaker, which I really like as well, the style, but it's not as comfortable as the Court. And this one is this is the Grand Court 2.0. So it's different from the Court. Aside from it is because of the color is different, because the VL Court has like more on the white kind of design colors, and then white and then the black stripe. This one, the Grand Court, has color choices. And this one, when I saw this was the first time I saw this one from Adidas as a sneaker in color. Okay, I am not a person who is going to just get a color. Oh, it's bright, I like it, okay, I want it. No, it's not like that. I barely think of getting colored sneakers because I'm a choosy person. So this one, I fell in love when I saw this. It's not the collegiate green, it's a blue-green color, and and then the color of it is actually Arctic night. So it's kind of nice because like Arctic is like your icy kind of color, but in a different way because it's like bluish green from the like Alaska, and also like I think it grabs it from like Arctic night. You can also see the, what do you call it? The lights, the northern lights, and it has that kind of shade on it. So honestly, look at that. It is so beautiful, so nice. I can't fault it. I wanted to try it on because I had to figure out if it's gonna fit me, because this is from women's wear. So that's why I clarified earlier that I am a 6.5 men's wear, because like I said, the VL Court, I really like it in the color with the green, the collegiate green on the side. But then I couldn't have that because there's no size with me. It was on sale, 50% off sale when it was the 11/11, the Singles Day sale in Adidas. But yeah, I couldn't get it. And this one, I saw it. This was from a different sale already. It's not including the 50% off. But when I saw this, oh my gosh, it was so beautiful. The color is amazing. Plus, I couldn't afford it, like easily like buy it when it was available. Also because I've already spent a couple of, money for the gifts that we really want to share to our friends and family and loved ones. So I didn't really want to think about that, but I was fine. That's okay. But yeah, that's why I was like so happy about this one, because like I said, I couldn't have it for myself, and then it got sold out already when I was like still contemplating if I should get it. And then yeah, I got it now from a loved one, an amazing person. He is super generous. Like someone just knocks on the gate, and it's kind of pretty late already, the time that they knocked on the gate, and lo and behold, the sneaker, like, oh my gosh. And here's the other pair. Kind of ruined the paper, but yeah, here it is. The sneakers, they're so beautiful. I don't know if I should still share a b-roll of this, but maybe I should share a b-roll of this in a different time. But yeah, I love it. The color is amazing. It's beautiful, but it has just a simple white stripes, and that's been like a first for me, because of most of my sneakers before are actually Nike and Reebok. I really love them, and although Reebok is from Adidas, I never really got obsessed with a lot of the Adidas before, because it was kind of the things that I really liked there before is actually the white shoes or the white stickers, the superstars, and it was kind of basic for me. So I really didn't think of getting one there. Plus the Samba wasn't really comfortable even before, when it wasn't as hyped up as now. But yeah, when I saw a couple of them right now and then on sale, I saw some that are really, really nice. And I was thinking of, if I want to get something on the pricier end of sneakers, I really want something that pops, and because I really, really like really nice colors. So I'm really kind of picky on the colors, but this one, yes, like I said, it was a wish list. It was amazing. One of the sneakers I really, really want to get that still impossible, still doesn't have it on my size. And the one that has it on my size is really pricey. But it is a white sneaker, which is the VL Court. And yeah, it's, yeah, VL Court base, okay? It was, yeah, like I said, it's 3.5 in one of the Adidas other shops that I saw. It's available on my size, but it's 3,500 and it's too pricey for me. The one that we got as a gift, luckily for my hubby, was just 1,000 plus. And although 1,000 plus is already pricey, it's almost just the same as Payless, but you know, better. So this one, I didn't really think of getting it because 3.5 for just my size, when I got a similar version for my hubby in a half the price, I really couldn't pull the trigger, and I guess I just said like, I'll just throw it as a manifestation if ever. So one of the shoes that I really like, this one is in the collegiate green. It's the Adidas Lifestyle R71 or R71 shoes, men, green in IH1326. So this one's also from the Adidas shop, and this was on sale a couple of days ago or a week ago. But yeah, this was already out of stock, so it's kind of sad about it. So I'll just, I'll just share while I'm talking right now. I'll just share the few of the pictures of the ones that I really, really like as well in Adidas right now. In Nike, I still want the Air Jordan 1s. That is still one of the shoes I'm targeting, but in the like red, white, black combination. I still want that one, and probably the high cut version, not the low cut version. I am thinking of more on the colored kind of sneakers right now that I really like. I'm still looking for a sneaker that I'm interested that's in yellow, because I really love yellow, and yellow in jeans really pop, and I've been like kind of, thinking about it. So I'm on my sneaker phase right now. I am still always on my sneaker phase because they are comfortable, but like I said, I'm changing and transitioning from different kind of styles. So yeah, that's my kind of, wish list and amazing kind of suggestions also if you guys want to give someone, because these ones that I've mentioned, they're perfect gifts for your loved ones and your family and your partner, and I'm sure they're gonna like it. I will try to link if they still have sale on Adidas as well as maybe the other shops, and also check Shopee for links also on if they're also on sale on different kind of Adidas shops, because right now I'm on an Adidas rage, and I've been obsessed with a lot of their colored sneakers. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to hit the bell button, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.